Okay, guys, we have with us Sameer Malatkar, who is president-elect, which means president for the coming year. And Sameer is also the guy behind organizing T10 this year, as well as the T10 last year. Sameer has brought about a few changes in the format of T10 this year. I would like him to take us through the changes that he's made. Sameer, over to you.
Thank you, Deepak. Yes, as you know, the T10 is one of our flagship events, the cricket events, and as you know, it's also a very competitive sports tournament that we host as Rotarians and as Mumbai Lakers, of course. So this time, you know, as more and more corporates are taking participation in the event, we want to make it more competitive and more challenging for everybody concerned, all the players. We are also announcing good cash prizes. So we really think that, you know, we have to make this tournament a very inspiring tournament, as well as challenging for all the players concerned, so that anybody who does well also has a future, you know, in terms of representing his or her company, you know. So those are my thoughts. So we have a bigger ground, we have better balls, better pitch, and a professional run of umpires, and a lot of good things that are opening up for the tournament.
I just hope you're not opening the better balls. No, but on a more serious note, thank you, and wonderful. You did a great job last year. We're expecting a fantastic tournament this year too, and in the years to come.
Yes, thank you, Deepak, and I think it's a great pleasure, you know, organizing this tournament, and I think that a lot of corporates all over Mumbai are participating in this tournament, and we have closed the cap at 24 teams, but I think we have been exceeded in terms of the interest that we are receiving. Thank you.